Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a topic that affects all of us. How to eat incredibly healthy without emptying our wallets. It's a common myth that healthy eating is expensive, but I'm here to show you that some of the most powerful, nutrient-dense foods on the planet are also the cheapest. So, if you're ready to boost your health and save some serious cash, stick around. We're about to dive into the ultimate guide to budget-friendly soup. Let's kick things off with a true champion of the plant kingdom. Legumes. I'm talking about lentils, chickpeas, black beans, and kidney beans. These guys are nutritional powerhouses. A single cup of cooked lentils packs about 18 grams of protein and 16 grams of fiber. That fiber is amazing for your gut health and keeps you feeling full and satisfied, which can help prevent overeating. Plus, they're loaded with essential minerals like iron, folate, and magnesium. Think about it. A 1-pound bag of dry lentils can cost just a couple of dollars and provide the base for numerous meals. You can make hearty soups, stews, veggie burgers, or toss them into salads. Chickpeas can be roasted for a crunchy snack or blended into delicious, creamy hummus for way less than the store-bought version. Seriously, incorporating legumes into your diet a few times a week is one of the smartest and most affordable health upgrades you can make. Next up, let's talk about oats. Not the sugary instant packets, but the plain, rolled or steel-cut oats. A large canister of oats is incredibly inexpensive and can last for weeks. Oats are famous for a type of soluble fiber called beta-glucan, which has been proven to help lower cholesterol levels and improve heart health. A warm bowl of oatmeal in the morning provides slow-release energy, keeping you powered up until lunch without any sugar crash. And they're so versatile, you can top your oatmeal with some fruit, nuts, or a sprinkle of cinnamon. You can also grind them into flour for baking, add them to smoothies for extra thickness and fiber, or make overnight oats for a quick and easy breakfast. For the price, the nutritional return on oats is just unbeatable. It's a simple, comforting food that works hard for your health and your budget. Moving on to another humble hero, the egg. For a long time, eggs got a bad rap because of their cholesterol content. But modern science has shown that for most people, dietary cholesterol doesn't significantly impact blood cholesterol. What eggs do offer is high-quality protein with all 9 essential amino acids. This makes them fantastic for muscle repair and building. They're also rich in choline, a vital nutrient for brain health and development, as well as vitamins D and B12. And let's be real, eggs are incredibly affordable and quick to prepare. Scrambled, boiled, poached, or fried, they can be the star of any meal: breakfast, lunch, or dinner. A simple omelette packed with some budget-friendly veggies like spinach or onions makes for a filling, nutritious, and incredibly cheap meal. Don't underestimate the power of the simple egg. Now, let's head over to the produce aisle for some vibrant, budget-friendly superstars. First, potatoes and sweet potatoes. These root vegetables are often unfairly demonized, but they are packed with nutrients. A single sweet potato can provide over 400% of your daily vitamin A requirement, which is crucial for vision and immune function. Regular potatoes are an excellent source of potassium, an electrolyte that's vital for heart function and blood pressure regulation, even more so than bananas. The key is how you prepare them. Instead of deep frying them, try baking, roasting, or boiling them with the skin on to retain all that amazing fiber and nutrients. They are incredibly filling and can serve as a hearty base for countless healthy meals. While we're in the produce section, we can't ignore cruciferous vegetables like cabbage and broccoli. Cabbage is one of the most cost-effective vegetables you can buy. It's loaded with vitamins C and K and contains compounds that have been shown to have anti-inflammatory and cancer-fighting properties. You can use it in salads, slaws, stir-fries, or ferment it to make sauerkraut, which is fantastic for your gut health. Broccoli is another powerhouse, rich in fiber, vitamin C, and a unique compound called sulfur, which has powerful antioxidant benefits. A great tip is to buy frozen broccoli. It's often cheaper than fresh. Gets picked and frozen at peak ripeness, so it retains all its nutrients, and it won't go bad in your fridge. The same goes for many other frozen fruits and vegetables, like spinach and berries. Let's talk about another grain that offers incredible value: brown rice. While white rice is cheaper, brown rice retains the bran and germ, which means it's packed with more fiber, vitamins, and minerals. It's a complex carbohydrate, meaning it digests more slowly, providing sustained energy and helping to stabilize blood sugar levels. It's a fantastic source of magnesium and selenium. A large bag of brown rice costs very little and can be the foundation for so many meals. Pair it with beans for a complete protein. Use it as a base for stir-fries with those frozen veggies, or add it to soups to make them more substantial. It's a simple swap from white rice that significantly boosts the nutritional profile of your meals for just a few cents more per serving. Another food I have to mention is bananas. They often come out as one of the cheapest fruits per pound. Bananas are famous for their potassium content, which is essential for maintaining healthy blood pressure and fluid balance. They also provide a good dose of vitamin B6 and vitamin C. They're the perfect portable snack, naturally wrapped in their own packaging. They're great before a workout for a quick energy boost. Or you can add them to smoothies to create a natural sweetness and creamy texture without needing to add sugar. And when they get a bit too ripe, don't throw them out. Mash them up and use them in baking as a natural sweetener for banana bread or muffins. It's a zero-waste, budget-friendly, and healthy choice. Finally, let's not forget about canned fish, specifically sardines and tuna. Now, it's important to choose tuna packed in water, not oil, to keep the fat content down. Canned fish is an incredibly affordable source of high-quality protein and, most importantly, omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3 is crucial for brain health, reducing inflammation, and supporting a healthy heart. Sardines are particularly great because you eat the whole fish, including the tiny edible bones, which makes them an amazing source of calcium. They might seem a little intimidating, but they are delicious on toast, with a squeeze of lemon, or mixed into a pasta sauce. They offer a level of nutrition that's hard to find so conveniently and affordably. So there you have it. A whole list of foods that are not only gentle on your wallet, but are also absolute titans of nutrition. We've got legumes, oats, eggs, potatoes, cabbage, broccoli, brown rice, bananas, and canned fish. By building your meals around these core ingredients, you can drastically improve your health without feeling the financial pinch. Eating healthy is about making smart, informed choices, not about buying expensive, trendy products. It's about getting back to basics with whole, unprocessed foods. I challenge you to pick a few of these items on your next grocery trip and start incorporating them into your weekly meals. You'll be amazed at how much better you feel and how much money you save. Thanks so much for watching today. I hope this video has inspired you and shown you that a healthy lifestyle is accessible to everyone, regardless of their budget. If you found this helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more content on living a healthy and happy life. And I'd love to hear from you in the comments below. What are some of your favorite budget-friendly, healthy foods? Let's share our tips and help each other out. Until next time, take care and eat well.